Yeah, welcome to Professor Academy. So in this video, we are going to discuss common university entrance test for PG program in mathematics. So in this video, we are going to discuss it. So how to prepare the examination. So what are the syllabus in mathematics, and what is the book we are choosing? We will choose for preparation in this examination. How to prepare the exams. Okay. So in this way, we are going to discuss those informations only in this particular video. So let's start from the in the sense the national testing agency NTA only they conduct for examination for common university entrance test for the all the PG programs. So what are that mode of examination in the sense is entirely based from the computer based test, and medium of language is English and Hindi only, and duration of examination 1 hour 45 minutes, that means exactly 105 minutes, and yearly once only they will announce it, because some other examination they will announce for 2 years. Most of the common eligibility test they will announce only for that 2 years. In a one year they announce for the twice as actually, but in this examination only once time they will announce it. And the type of question paper is the multiple type option, multiple choices questions. Total number of questions is 75, and total mark is 300. There are negative marks also is there. So each question there are 4 mark actually. Once you have the correct in the sense you get the 4 mark. Suppose that the answer will be mistake, you have the incorrect answer in the sense there will be -1 mark will be more. So please try to understand whenever the examination will be negative marks if it is there. So try to write it. What are the information if you know it? That's only you can try to write it. Don't attend for that rest of the question. Suppose you have comfortable with that answers in the sense, then you can mark the answer. Just mark it. So otherwise, don't put your answers, because once if you have the correct option, then you get the 4 marks will be possible. So when you have the negative in the so the option will be wrong in the sense we lose for 1 mark also, because most of the times we will lose for the 1 or 2 mark for that eligibility, the cutoff mark actually. So try to write it. What are the things if you know it, that those things only can write it. So I help you. So what are the dates for the examination? In the sense, what are the important dates in these examinations? The online submission for that. So 24th January and 2024, and last date for fees submission is 25th, and examinations date of examination is 11 for the March month. So we have exactly for the 2 months only. So today the date will be 12, so we have only for the 2 months. So 11 to 28 they will conduct. So it depends on the depends on subject. Maybe we have mathematics in between, any one of the date they will assign it. Okay. 2 months is that. So just prepare with take the syllabus. From the syllabus try to split it, and subject wise each subject minimum for they can spend for the 10 days at least. Okay. And try to solve the many questions regarding those subjects, then only you can achieve for that in this examination. Because once if you prepare that theory, so parallelly you can try to solve the question paper also, that more helpful. Then only we can reduce for the negative marks is not possible. So if once you have this, you can solve the many problems regarding those topic, in the sense we'll get that good marks. You can easily to clear the examinations also. So here the timing of the examinations are the shift 1, shift 2, shift 3 is that they will announce in website separately, depends on the examination date. So how many member they will apply it. So these are the information based on the information only they will given for the shifting time also. And answer key challenges. So answer key challenges in the sense is nothing but suppose the examination once they complete the 28, they will announce for that, and your answer sheet and as well as the answer key in use NTA answer key also they will announce it. Suppose NTA answer key something will be mistakes in the sense we can argue. So we can give that suppose some answer will be mistake in the sense we can give the challenges also. They will take the proper evidence. With the proper evidence, or you can take some books. So you can just mention that the reference book and page number. So point out some theory also. They'll accept it. Then they'll change for the answers also. So once you have the examination, once you have completed the examination, please check out all the answers. Sometimes the NTA, most of the examinations, sometimes 1 or 2 questions, rarely they will mistake it. Okay. So better you can verify your answer sheet after the examination also, and discuss with your friends, and it is just look at your answers in website and books and verify it. once you answer, if you have the confidence in the thing, better you can complain, you can challenge with the answer key also. The date will be 4th February. That's the last date. So what are the syllabuses in mathematics? The syllabus is in mathematics in the sense as the same syllabus for the IIT JAM, almost the same syllabus. One or two topics they actually included. But most once if you prepare for that common university entrance test in the sense, please you can try to apply for the JAM examination also for IIT. For in IIT, for many of the IIT and NIT, you can move on for that PG mathematics in the sense you can write the joint application of mathematics. That's a JAM examination. So in this JAM examination, almost the same syllabus. The unit one is that algebra. So in this algebra, they given for the two type of things. One is the group theory, another one is entirely given for the linear algebra. So in group theory concept, so please, what are the important topics in group theory in the sense? Please prepare with the Lagrange's theorem and properties and group homomorphism properties and permutation groups also. Actually, here you couldn't say that important topic exactly what because sometimes they will ask the questions: the group of order 2024 is an abelian group or not, and it is a cyclic group or not. So if it is cyclic group in the sense, how many subgroups will be possible? What are the generator will be possible? Okay, and so these type of question only they will ask it. So try to prepare it, take it any order. So group of order 100 in the sense, this is how many subgroup will be possible, and how this is an abelian group or not, is a abelian group or non-abelian group, and a cyclic group or not, and a number of generator. So number of generator means the Euler pi function. So number of subgroup in the sense the divisors. Suppose if it has a finite cyclic group in the sense, we can find out for the divisor, that will be enough. And group homomorphism, try to prepare that. What is it? Zn to Zm is the number of group homomorphism. What is it be possible? And finally, for the ring theory and field theory concept, here try to prepare the definition and basic theory will be enough. Based on the definition, they will ask the questions. And purely definition only. Okay, here at least you try to prepare the definition properly and some of the basic theorems. That means Lagrange theorem, statement, Cayley's. In permutation group, they given the Cayley's theorem and order of the permutation, element order, group order. These are the information will be needed. And in permutation group, what is the normal subgroup in the sense? AN will be normal subgroup. So those information we can add it. Okay. So please prepare for the examination. Like once we prepare the theory in the sense, parallelly prepare for some question paper also. Just as try to solve many questions regarding the topic. Then only we can achieve for the good marks actually. So the previous year question paper will be available in internet, and JAM examination question, the last 10 years question paper will be available in our internet. So last 2 years before 2019, the syllabus entirely will be different. So now that syllabus will be even only for algebra, real analysis, but still last past 10 years, algebra, abstract algebra, real analysis syllabus will be available in JAM examination also. So take the question paper related to the algebra, real analysis, linear algebra question and prepare it. Then you get the better idea. So because in this examination means once if we prepare the theory, parallelly we can solve the many problems. Practices only will be needed here. So if you want to practice for the many problem, then definitely we get the good scores in your examination also. So in linear algebra concept, please prepare for the vector space linear transformation and entire matrix properties will be here. Basic matrix properties and one of the main theorem for the rank nullity theorem. So based on the rank nullity theorem, try to solve the many questions. Try to use the rank nullity theorem concept. And real analysis cases, they're given for sequence series and convergence analysis test. Here, yeah, I'm mentioned the books also, right? In abstract algebra, please refer some abstract algebra Galilean book will be enough, and try to prepare the Galilean book, or entirely if you abstract algebra and linear algebra, Hastings book is one of the nice book. You can just prepare it. And Galilean book, if you look at it, you get the many problems section will be available. And real analysis, if you can just look at it, real analysis by Kumaresan. You have that there are many exercises problem, example problem be available in real analysis, mathematical analysis, Ajit Kumar and Kumaresan. And yeah, function of variable also, and metric spaces, okay, and metric spaces by Kumaresan, that's also you can just look at it. You get the idea from the interior point, limit point, connectedness, compactness idea. So only for basic information only will be needed. So try to prepare the basic information. Here the question they will ask it like compact So in compartments closed and bordered, based on thing they will ask the questions, and uniform convergency and uniform continuous function. So what theorem statement will be needed, Paul? It is not necessarily proof. At least you can use prepare the theorem statement properly. So based on the theorem statement only, they will ask the questions. So please prepare for all the theorem statement properly, and parallelly try to work out the some exercises problems as well as that previous year question paper also. And complex analysis by Punnusamy, you can just look at it, it would be enough. So here one of the main theorem for the Liouville's theorem and the Cauchy integral theorem. So based on the Cauchy integral theorem, Liouville's theorem, and CR equation, if they're given some function in the sense, we can verify it is analytic function or not. So based on the CR equation, they will ask one question every time. Every time they will using CR equation, they will ask one question, and Cauchy integral formula, Liouville's theorem. So one of the three theorems is most important. So at least prepare those theorems in this examination. And here you can use a book for the complex analysis by Punnusamy. And integral calculus, everything will be basic book will be enough. Any one of the basic book you can just prepare it will be enough. And differential equation, you can prepare for that Simmons book, ordinary differential equation by Simmons. Here they given only for the 12th standard, almost 12th standard syllabus only. First order differential equation concept and second order differential equation concept up to here. Up to higher order up to linear differential equation will be to just 12th standard syllabus only. They added only one thing for the method of variation parameter and Euler. This is only have the new technique. So here try to understand what is that exact differential equation or not, and Wronskian. So using Wronskian, they will ask one question. So please try to understand what is the Wronskian of the equation. Wronskian means the solutions are independent or dependent based on the concept. So prepare the Wronskian idea. And vector space linear programming problem. Here they will ask, you can expect the question from that graphical method for SPP and simplex method definitely. So this is an idea for the syllabus. So please prepare with the question paper. Based on the question paper, you get the idea. So that's it. So thank you to all the best to the examination.